Hey everyone, Sia here on Mobile Munch. Today, we are diving into the world of the Realme 13 Pro Plus, a mid-range smartphone that boasts a stunning AMOLED display, a versatile camera system with a telephoto lens, and a long-lasting battery, all wrapped in a stylish design. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Realme 13 Pro Plus display with blazing fast refresh rate. The Realme 13 Pro Plus takes center stage with a gorgeous 6.7-inch AMOLED display. This display offers not only vibrant colors, deep blacks, and incredible contrast, but also a smooth 120Hz refresh rate for a super responsive and fluid experience, perfect for gaming, watching videos, and scrolling through social media. With a peak brightness of 2000 nits, you'll enjoy clear visuals even outdoors on a bright sunny day. Corning Gorilla Glass 7i protects the display from scratches and accidental drops. Capable performance for everyday needs. The Realme 13 Pro Plus is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7's Gen 2 processor, built on a 4nm process for improved efficiency. Paired with 8GB or 12GB of RAM, this combination should provide smooth performance for everyday tasks like browsing the web, social media, and using messaging apps. You can choose between 128GB, 256GB, or 512GB of storage, ensuring you have enough space for your apps, photos, and videos. While it might not be the most powerful phone on the market, it offers enough processing muscle for most users. Versatile camera system with telephoto lens. The Realme 13 Pro Plus boasts a triple camera system on the back. The main 50MP sensor with OIS and PDAF is designed to capture stunning photos and videos, especially in low light conditions. The 50MP ultrawide sensor lets you capture expansive landscapes and group shots, while the 8MP telephoto lens with OIS provides 3x optical zoom for capturing distant subjects with impressive detail. Features like LED flash, HDR, and panorama allow for creative photography. The phone can record videos in up to 4K resolution at 30fps. On the front, a 32MP selfie camera ensures you look your best in video calls and selfies. Both the main and selfie cameras can record videos in up to 1080p resolution at 30fps. Designed for the modern user. The Realme 13 Pro Plus boasts a sleek design with a glass front and back. A fingerprint sensor under the display provides convenient security access. The phone comes with an IP65 water and dust resistance rating, providing peace of mind against splashes and accidental spills. The phone also supports 24-bit, 192kHz high-res audio for high-quality audio playback. Long-lasting battery with fast charging. The Realme 13 Pro Plus packs a 5200 mAh battery, promising long battery life on a single charge for most users. When you do need to top up, the phone supports 80W wired fast charging, which can reportedly get you to 50% in just 19 minutes and 100% in 49 minutes, perfect for those who are always on the go. A mid-range powerhouse with impressive features. With a starting price of around 32,999 rupees, the Realme 13 Pro Plus offers a compelling package for users looking for a stylish phone with a high refresh rate display, a capable camera system with a telephoto lens, and a long-lasting battery. The phone boasts a sleek design, fast charging, and a water-resistant build. While it might not have the most powerful processor on the market, it offers enough performance for most users. Looking for a phone with a beautiful display, a versatile camera system with a telephoto lens, and a long-lasting battery? The Realme 13 Pro Plus might be worth considering. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the Realme 13 Pro Plus. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Mobile Munch for more tech reviews.